Hey everyone, it's Mahesh, the learning homeowner. Let's say you bought a new house. Maybe you've even decided to remodel it. But there's certain projects around the house that maybe you feel like you can do on your own. And that's what I decided to do with this Lazy Susan. Except, this is what I found. This is a hinge that's supposed to create an invisible hinge on the Lazy Susan. As you can see, the front frame broke, possibly when they were drilling the screw in, or maybe they decided to kick it. I don't know. It's broken. So I decided I'm going to buy 2 new 170-degree Blum hinges and put them on myself. So this is what I did. By the way, all of this here, that was not me. That was here before. I promise. Don't have to take my word for it, but you'll kind of have to. So I'm going to kind of do a pick or choose. I'm not going to be able to make it exact to one of these because they went crazy and didn't measure correctly. So I'm going to do the best I can here to line everything up. So, safety first. This is how it looks after it's been finished on the bottom. Sliding up. Smooth close, smooth open.